Okay, so I'm going to talk a little bit about this package I got here from The Sound of Vinyl, and we're going to do a quick unboxing. But first, let's check out these empty boxes here that we have from The Sound of Vinyl. Now, the backstory in regards to these vinyls is that last week The Sound of Vinyl had this really huge sale where you can get vinyls only for the shipping costs, but every single vinyl was 100% free. Now, I ordered a total of 30 vinyls, and you could either order them one at a time, or you could order two at a time somehow with this cart trick. Here's one of the ones that I got in the mail, PJ Harvey. We got the Almost Famous soundtrack in 2 different colors. We got this nice looking U2 vinyl from Record Store Day. We got a Rolling Stones vinyl. We got the Eels, which is a blue vinyl, one that I actually already opened, and we'll take a quick look at that here. Look at that. So there's these limited edition vinyls from The Sound of Vinyl. So the way the shipping worked is it was $8 for shipping, but you can somehow get 2 in the cart. I got Nirvana Unplugged in New York, 2 vinyl edition. I got Pearl Jam, Gigatron. This one was actually $10 for shipping, a little bit more. And Beastie Boys is some old bullshit. So now we have our package here that we just got in the mail. Whoops, I just hit myself in the head with the package. But this one I'm expecting to be Chris Cornell, because I just saw it in the shop app, which has all the details. But anyways, I got about 30 vinyls, and I paid $8 shipping for each. Some of them I got 2 in one package for $8, but that's all the ones that we got so far. Of the 30, I believe I just displayed about 9 of them to you, maybe less. It seems like it was less. Maybe like 7 or 8 vinyls. It could be more. I could be wrong. I'll count them after this video. But yeah, I knew this was going to happen. So unfortunately, when this one arrived to us, the package arrived bent. So is the vinyl. So they sent us a bent vinyl. I mean, I paid $8 for it, but still. It looks like this one might have gotten lost in the shipping on the way. Like maybe it got jammed in between something. But well, these things happen. I mean, it arrived damaged. It arrived with a bent corner, but the other ones arrived perfectly, so I'm not too upset. For $8, I mean, this would probably sell for more than $8, even with a bent corner like this. I mean, I guess if you were to remove the plastic a little bit and open it, you could probably bend this back into shape a little bit. Maybe I could, this is the best I could do with it, is sort of, maybe put like 2 things on top of it. Alright, so that looks a little bit better. Yeah, the damage is done. You can see a crease there. You can see a crease all the way here, here, and here. They really messed this one up. but the disc itself should be mint. I might just put this one on eBay because they screwed it up. Well, what can you do? Anyways, so I got all these vinyls. I paid like I think I paid like over $200 for mine. And anyways, that's a pretty good deal to get all these vinyls. Even to get Nirvana Unplugged. Oh, this isn't even the one that I got in the mail. This is a different Nirvana Unplugged. So now I have like 2 copies of Nirvana Unplugged. So this was for, I want to say 50 different vinyls. Some of them 1 disc, some of them 2 discs on the soundofvinyl.us. And now the sale is done. It was only for 1 week. But for those who missed out on it, sucks to be you, because this was a killer deal. This is the best deal around that you can find on any type of music, probably in the last year, maybe in the last 2 years. But these guys do these sales more than once. So for those of you who haven't checked out the Sound of Vinyl, I'll leave a link in the description. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, that's it.